Grabbing the brass ring. A guide to understanding this idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations: brass ring. Let's grab onto this concept together and understand what it means, how it's used, and the story behind it. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of this expression that's more than just a part of a carousel. The phrase, brass ring, is an idiomatic expression that refers to a valuable opportunity or a coveted prize that one must reach out and grab. In life, grabbing the brass ring means taking a chance to achieve great success or to seize a rare opportunity. The origin of brass ring dates back to the golden age of carousels in the United States. Carousels would often have a small dispenser that held rings, and as riders went around, they would reach out to grab a ring. Most were iron, but the rare brass ring was the prize. Catching it often meant you'd receive a free ride or a special reward. So, it became synonymous with a lucky break or a big chance. Let's look at some examples of how to use brass ring in everyday conversation. When the company announced the promotion, I knew it was my chance to grab the brass ring. She has been preparing her whole life for an opportunity like this. It's truly her brass ring. The scholarship was the brass ring he had been reaching for all year. The phrase has extended beyond its literal meaning to impact culture significantly. It's used in literature, movies, and music to symbolize ultimate achievements and the pursuit of dreams. It encourages people to take risks for substantial rewards. Thanks for watching. We hope you now have a better understanding of the phrase, brass ring, and can use it to describe those rare but life-changing opportunities in your own life. Keep reaching for your brass rings, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning videos. See you next time.